Hi, I'm Carlos from Blink Shell. Blink is an app for local and remote development on iOS. In our last version, we introduced a new Visual Studio Code integration that will boost your productivity when working from phones or tablets. Let me show you how it works. To start, I'm going to run the code command, passing a dot to open the current path. As you see, we're now in a Visual Studio Code web session, but I still have no files yet. To complete the setup, let's install the BlinkFS extension. And easy as that, we have now access to all our local file system, but also to any remote files. I want to point out a few differences between using VS Code inside the browser or inside Blink Shell. Inside Blink, you will see that we have a full screen experience without any browser bars or any other interruption. Blink also gives you an integrated software keyboard optimized for developers with special keys like Control, Alt, or Command, so you can start the command palette. And if you cannot live without your Emacs or Vim shortcuts like me, you can also install extension and use the ones you know. Now, let's take a look at remote development. I'm going to be using this Raspberry Pi, but the same applies to any other remote server. Now, this is the Zero model with very limited resources, and I don't want to install a desktop environment just so I can code it. So let's see how Blink can connect VS Code to it instead. First, I'm going to configure SSH access to my Raspberry Pi. It's going to host. I just have it right here. And then it's just as easy as running code, the host I'm connecting to, and the remote path that I'm going to edit. And now, I am connected to the same VS Code web session with all of my settings there, but connected to my Raspberry Pi file system. So, I want to run my code, but if you remember, there is no terminal in the web version. So what I can do is start one on Blink instead. We connect to a Raspberry Pi, and make the font smaller, and you can open. Run our code. Oops, looks like I have a small mistake here, line 14. We save it and run again. See, we're good to go. I have one more trick to show you. Blink can also connect to your GitHub Codespaces to give you a better experience. So here I have Blink documentation, and it looks like something broke up. So let's fire up a code space and figure out what's going on. Go here. And now, here is the cool thing. Blink is registered as a desktop app, so if we press open, Blink will take it from there. Let's now figure out what's going on. So for that, I'm going to fire up the terminal and run a build. Myself smaller here. One of the things that I love from Codespaces is that I do not have to pollute one of my systems with a lot of extensions and things that I'm never using. The issue seems to be that here in this file, and it's an image called appearance. It's like, yeah, the error is that it should be on caps. So let's make it caps. We can run the build again. Now it's all good. So we're not going to go into details, but you know the drill. From here you would commit and let your continuous integration system take over. And all of this without harming any computers along the way. So this wraps up what you can do with VS Code plus Blink Shell. So next time you're in the Go, you know you can focus on what you do best, code. Thank you.